Oh my gosh, look at all these buttons. Can you imagine being responsible for all of these?
We're staying in an airplane tonight. Not one that's flying, one that is parked on the ground forever. It's one thing to get to stay in a plane, it's another thing to get to stay in a plane right beside the runway.
All the little engines, or the huge engines, are little rooms. This place is like an airplane nerd's dream. Like, I say airplane nerd in the best way. Normally when you're boarding a plane, you don't really get to like step back and look at it. And I feel like you don't ever board planes this size, like a 747, from the ground. It is so huge. We're going to check it out. I feel like we're boarding a plane. It's a plane, but it's the check-in desk. There are restrooms on the left and the right-hand side, and the front and the back of the plane. Just like on an airplane. I feel like this should be called like 24B. Oh. Oh, there's a picture of what it really was.
Oh, it's got the windows and everything.
And overhead bins. Yes.
Maybe you'll put your carry-on in the overhead bin.
Yeah. Put on my seatbelt.
I wonder if they put life vest under the seat. No life vest.
What about barf bags?
If we roll into the ocean, we're in trouble.
Oh, I just want to touch the exit door.
It's the stuff you can never play with.
Yes. Oh, the lever. Just walking on the wing of a plane. This is insane.
Everyday things, you know?
Yeah. We just read that this plane's first flight was in 1974 with Singapore Airlines, and then it moved to Pan Am, and now it lives here forever. It flew until 2002. They renovated it in 08. Now it's a hotel. This is so cool. Real airplane wheels.
It's actually kind of scary if you think about it, how many moving parts have to all work correctly together for you to land safely on the ground.
Oh, it's like so hard. It doesn't even feel rubber.
Wow, look how close we are to the runway.
That is too squishy for me to sit on my bag and it actually work, but the floor is too small for me to do it on the floor. Yes.
So last night we stayed down in like the main cabin, like the economy class of the airplane, but this morning we're getting a tour of the cockpit. It's like a self-tour.
You even get your own first class lounge, complete with first class airplane seats. However, they're not lay flat. So cool! I think I broke it.
Oh gosh, you definitely broke it.
This is crazy! Wow. I never thought I would be in a pilot seat of a 747 pulling levers and pressing buttons. This is so cool. All the wires are still up here. Cockpit door locked. Do you think that's what they do?
Totally creepy behind.
Flo's coming to Italy with us today.
All Starker's still here. Please remain seated when the seatbelt signs are on. Hopefully we're here early enough to get a little lounge time.
We're checking in for the flight going to Rome.
To Rome?
Yes, with baggage.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do this. They make it look so easy. Does this come off? Good enough.
Never seen this before. You have to scan your own bags in. I feel like I'm gonna mess something up. Oh, okay. Hope to see you later. Really hope my bag shows up in Rome.
Stockholm has been so much fun. We've had a blast with the Epidemic Sound team, and I'm actually really sad to be leaving. But I am so excited about where we're going next.
Today we are flying to Rome, and then we're taking a bus to the small town of Ripa Transones, where we're going to be staying with friends and preparing for our Vespa tour.
This Vespa tour has been a year in the making, and I cannot believe it's finally here.
Absolutely crazy. But first, we're heading to a lounge. And this is happening.
With Flo.
Totally trying not to fall over you.
Gimbals on gimbals.
It's that way. This lounge is beautiful. It has a very nice salad bar. Windows are nice and big and pretty. Unfortunately, we only have about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Time to go.
Subscribe, yes. Why are so many people running right now? We've rubbed off on Flo, bad influences.
Yeah.
We're all running to the gate.
I thought after 2.5 years of doing that, you would be proficient in doing that and would
no.
be super spot on time, everything's in schedule.
We're proficient at getting to the gate at the very last minute.
But that's kind of the way how I would roll as well.
Exactly.
So I can totally feel that.
Why would you want to spend more time sitting at the gate when you could spend it in the lounge?
In the cool lounge where
Exactly.
nobody else is sitting.
Exactly.
I mean, that was perfect.
That was like the best space to like human ratio of any lounge we've ever been in. It was a huge
There were like
lounge,
2
but there were 2
people.
people.
Yeah.
Any more passengers flight to Rome with Norwegian? The gate is closing.
Okay, we're going to Rome.
This is the first window seat that I've ever had with no window. Just a wall. Window there and there. But not here.
Nice at the moment with quite sunny conditions, and the temperature should be around plus 28 degrees at the moment. Information, however, once we start approaching Rome, I will get back to you with the latest update, and wishing you the best progress. Thank you.
Goodbye, thank you.
We made it to Italy! I'm so happy we're finally here! It smells like bacon in here.
Okay, before we hop on the bus, we need to say bye to Flo. He flew all the way here to Italy with us just to document the trip for this movie that he's making.
Those been some seriously crazy 2 days. I mean, now I got a little bit of look into your life, how that must be to travel like for years like this. I'm super excited that I was invited to come join you guys.
We've
I
been
hope
glad to
a
have you.
Super sick time here in Italy.
Thank you, thank
I'm
you.
jealous that you're staying here for like entire 2 months, and hope to see you soon again.
Of course. Okay, before we say the official goodbye, definitely go follow Flo on his personal channel, and then also we'll link this video that he's making for Epidemic Sound down below if it's done.
Yeah.
If
So
not, we'll link Epidemic Sound's channel.
you definitely need to make sure to watch that video and let me know how you like that. I hope they like it. Give a comment. It's been fun.
I can't wait
Great
to see
hanging
this
out.
video. It's gonna be awesome.
Thank you for grabbing my bag.
Rescue bag.
We have no clue what bus to get on. There's so many buses. Our friends have sent us some tips. You do not want the diagonally parked buses. It departs at 4.
We definitely missed that.
Then there's the start bus that departed at 5.
Definitely missed that.
Then there's an RML that leaves at 5:50.
Okay, we think we know what bus we're supposed to be getting on, but it's on the other side of the airport and it leaves in 9 minutes. So, we still have to get there, figure out how to buy a ticket, and then get on the bus. Otherwise, we might be stuck here for a little while. You would think we would be better at this traveling thing by now.
I think this is it. We're gonna make it. We made it.
But we even had time to get some sandwiches.
Before we almost missed it, we bought the sandwiches.
That was a little poor planning on our part.
But we're going to Bob and Gina's.
For those of you who don't know, Bob and Gina are really good friends who live in Italy that have helped us like organize this entire Vespa tour.
They're the reason the Vespa tour is happening. Here we go.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye.
How you doing, man?
So good to see you. Hey, happy to see you.
I feel like we're home.
I know. If you come to Tennessee, you can find some trucks with tires that big.
Yeah, unfortunately. Like when this one moves, that one moves. Did you notice that? Oxygen, flow supply, emergency, speed brake.
She's like a child.
I wonder what flap means. Okay, before takeoff, recall, check. Flight control, check. Flaps, green. Stave trim, units. A year ago exactly, Bob and Gina invited us to their farm here in Italy. We agreed to come for about 5 days, and that turned into 3 weeks because we completely fell in love with this part of the world. The people, the food, the beauty. And we'd always talked about doing some kind of group tour, but it had never felt right until we came here.
Some of you are probably wondering if we're ever gonna do a tour like this again. And the answer is probably yes. Oh.